To add Trust Wallet login. Start by understanding what Trust Wallet is. Trust Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to securely store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. Integrating Trust Wallet login into your application or website enables users to access your platform using their Trust Wallet credentials. First, you need to create a developer account on the Trust Wallet website and register your application. This will provide you with a client ID and client secret, which are necessary for the authentication process. Next, redirect the user to the Trust Wallet authorization URL, where they will be prompted to enter their credentials and authorize your application. The authorization URL typically includes your client ID, response type, and redirect URI. After the user grants permission, Trust Wallet will redirect the user back to your application with an authorization code. Your application will then exchange this code for an access token by sending a request to the Trust Wallet token endpoint. The access token can be used to authenticate the user and access their account information. It is essential to handle the access token securely and follow best practices for authentication and authorization. When implementing Trust Wallet login, make sure to follow the official documentation and guidelines provided by Trust Wallet. This will ensure a seamless and secure integration process. Additionally, consider implementing additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication and encryption, to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Trust Wallet login into your application or website, providing users with a convenient and secure way to access your platform.